Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And guys, I'm so excited about this. We have a brand new system that I'm going to be introducing to everyone tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want something that is newbie friendly, that's paying out 100% commissions, that has the traffic, that does the selling and selling for you, has the call center reps, you want to get on this webinar tomorrow. We're going to be talking about this amazing opportunity. Guys, so far, I have money coming in from this opportunity, $1,400 here, guys, that I was able to pull direct payouts. This can go to your Cash App, your Zelle. You can use your Stripe. You can use your Venmo. It's really up to you how you want to get paid. And there are 3 different levels to get in with this brand new opportunity. I am so excited because you do not have to convince people to join this opportunity. There's no monthly payments, traffic included, and there's also team bonuses if you decide to get with my team. Register today for this meeting, which is, again, it's tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you go to Building My Success Online, which is this information right here, it's going to take you to the registration link to register for tomorrow's webinar. Guys, you don't want to miss this opportunity. There hasn't been an opportunity around like this in a very, very long time. Payouts coming to you, direct cash. You do not have to worry about a middleman. You do not have to go directly through the company to get paid. Direct payments for you when you decide to join this opportunity. Again, I'm excited about this. I will be promoting this for the next 8 to 12 months. Consistently, we will have webinars for our team. And then tomorrow, we're going to go over the team bonuses, which I think you will really like and enjoy, because a lot of teams don't have bonuses and they don't have the information that you need in order to get started and actually start earning with an opportunity. So I'm so excited about this, guys. I'm absolutely pumped about this, and I would love for you guys to attend. So in the description below will be the link to register. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar tomorrow. Have a great day. Happy hump day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.